Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart, and we are in the middle of the beginning of a band ride lower. 1 day, 2 day, today's the third day. So it puts the bears in a very precarious position. They can continue this down. The Bollinger bandwidth is certainly tight enough at 2.3 to to be the beginnings of a deeper move. The issue is, can the bears actually execute on a deeper move lower? This has typically been the area where the bears have run into trouble. They have a big day, they have a follow-through day, sort of, although the lows down at 83 were rejected. What we're seeing in Globex tonight is lows in the 86.5 area. You're not seeing a move back to take out that the lows from Friday. They need to make a lower low to keep the pressure on. If 83.5 survives the day, all right, the Friday low of 2083.5, if it survives the day, then the bears are putting themselves potentially into a situation where they've created a higher low, right, versus Friday. And you could see a move back up as high as the middle band, which will then basically be high noon, and we'll decide whether this is truly a sell rallies market or whether you're going to see the bulls get it back. Because I still firmly believe that this is a two-sided market. Bulls have their time, bears have their time. Don't get too wedded to one ideology or the other, because as soon as you do, it's just going to come right back the other way. That makes for fantastic trading, okay? We had, last week was probably one of the top 5 weeks I would say we've ever had in the room. And that's a byproduct of the kind of volatility we have right now and the kind of tape that we have, which is very two-sided. And it's a two-sided tape that has been paying attention to key areas. And if it's going to pay attention to our areas and be two-sided, then it's basically a trader's paradise. Is that going to continue this week? I have no idea. We're going to have to see. I don't like Monday mornings. Anybody that has ever traded with me knows I don't like Monday mornings. They're whippy. Everybody's way too anxious to trade on a Monday morning. And, typically, although last Monday was a big day, typically, you got to kind of wait for the market to come to you and exercise a little bit of patience. If we are truly going to stay down here and go on a lower band ride, then what I would expect to see this morning is a move, up to the area of the daily pivot at 92.5, off of the open, maybe a little bit of an extension, and at that point, up to, 93.25, which was the Globex high, but you would see that morning high die. Lower band rides are AM highs that die, okay? You would see that move die, and then you would see both the Globex low and the Friday low get taken out. I think that kind of a move would bring with it enough downside momentum to really get the ball rolling on a deeper lower band ride for the bears. But they have to execute it. So the ball's in their court. It's up to the bears. It's really up to the bears. The dip buyers are here. They're going to push it up. The question is, what are the bears going to do with that push? All right, everybody have a great day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. If this is what you do, if you trade the mini, we have a fantastic team of people. We would love to meet you. A lot of new trials. A lot of people converted last week. Come see what we're all about. We would love to meet you. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.